This is how green pepper fried thin sliced pork look like. Today we'll make a dish. It's called thin sliced pork fried green pepper. And the ingredients we need the green pepper, ginger, and a piece of pork. It doesn't any pork is okay, and if you can use any pork, not just pork loin, because I already have pork loin. I use pork loin, and you can use if you don't have pork, you can use sausage, or you can make the my style scrambled egg to instead of the meat, or tofu. To do it. We cut the ginger. We don't need a lot of ginger, and you can cut off them one time and put them in a Ziploc bag, and you can freeze it. When you use it, just get one bag out. So we don't need we probably need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of the ginger. Probably cut like 1 tablespoon ginger. If you cut to chop it, that way I chop it. You cut it to smaller as possible. If not too small, you can chop it to make it to small pieces. This is how the ginger look like, the small pieces. Now we cut the pepper. We have this kind of pepper. We get this. Yeah, seeds, but it's okay. So we will just cut like this. This is how it look like the green pepper cut it. I cut more green pepper. This pepper, we cut it too. And you get the seeds. Now we cut it like this.
No, Peter, stop.
How it look like. Cut the meat. The meat, we will cut the pork, and we'll cut it very. So what do? We cut it like this, very thin. Cut it very thin. Slice to be very thin. we just. Now we cut it like this. We slice it like this, very thin. So meat to be like this. You can see it like this. Done. Maybe how it look like this. Turn on the stove. You can to high fire. When pot is hot, add this is vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And raising the pot. You know, raising the pot. And add the meat into it. Add the pork into it. Remember, you don't need to wait the oil is very hot to add it to it, because if you want the meat is very tender, you just add the oil and then you add the pot at the same time. You don't need to wait the oil is hot. This way, and the meat will be very juicy and tender. When the meat mostly becomes, the red part is all gone, looks white, and we add ginger into it. Add ginger. And fry. Now you see there's a lot of water. Feel the water come out from the meat, and you just keep frying until the most water becomes steam and dry out the pot. Just oil, vegetable oil, and the fried pork fat, and leave it in the pot. Then you can add after that you can add the pepper into it. Now you see just the oil, not the water. That's at the time, and you need to add the green pepper to it. Add the green pepper to it, and then fry it. We add a pinch of certain spices. If you don't have certain spices, add some spices. Or just a little black pepper. A pinch, don't add too much. And fry it. Now we add half teaspoon of salt to the meat. Half teaspoon of salt, not half teaspoon of salt. And fry it. And add 1 tablespoon of cold tap water. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add a pinch of chicken flavor soup based mixture. We just add a pinch. Don't add too much. Add a pinch. So you can fry it. So now you can try the pepper. When the pepper becomes soft, then be done. Good. And try meat. The meat is very tender and juicy. Now we turn off the stove. Now you can serve the dish.